Cutting these 6x6 posts took a good amount of time and really put that saw to work.
Here, adjusted with a little bit of liquid nails. Little documentary here. It's all right. No, we're doing good. Otis is putting in the brackets on the end. It's coming along all right.
Each week, as we worked, we learned a little bit more. We became more comfortable with the tools and could see the vision of the deck coming alive in front of us. Using the grinder, we made quick work of the metal railing. It comes down a lot faster than we expected. After that, we had to move on with the sledgehammer to attack these old stairs. The concrete there is very durable, and we all hit at it for quite a while. Eventually, we knew it wasn't going to be enough. So Steve had to reach out to a friend for a jackhammer, and he came back and took care of it off camera. It was an enormous task, but the jackhammer made quick work of this project. And I wish we caught that on tape, but that really was magnificent what was done. Took the stairs right down to the level we needed so we could continue building the deck.
From behind, it's a little bit much for people. Let me get away from the backside. A little demo on the stairs. Don't mess with me. There you go. It's coming down. Slow. It's coming.
You don't need no bro.
Steve made good use out of creating multiple jigs for this project. These ones here really help keep the base brackets lined up. It made work so much better, and the finished product really came out square and helped us stay organized. So can't say enough about using a proper jig. Really makes a big difference in the project.
Oh, Otis is so gentle. He's so gentle.
Follows instruction.
The gentle giant.
Follows instruction. I know his wife says he doesn't follow instruction. He actually does. I get accused of the same thing, but I don't take correction.
That's all right. I've been accused of a lot of things. Oh, chisel. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, actually the chisel. The chisel? Trying not to destroy the whole...
After we finished knocking down the stairs the best we could, we exposed a huge colony of ants. We dealt with them the best we could and sprayed the area down, and I think we got it under good control. We were also able to fill in the gaps underneath the doorway so that the area was more secure and weatherproof.
How's it looking?
That's good.
Super fast.
Otis brought 4 stringers to the job, and we used them to cut templates for 4 more stringers to do the back stairs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they are picking up every day.
It's good. You know, speed it all up and everything. These guys worked really hard.
Oh, I know you have. I'm so glad you finally can do it now. You're not stiflingly hot.
Yeah.
Sweating.
Today was a good day, temperature-wise. Building this deck took most of the summer on Saturdays. And I know Steve did a lot of work with Otis during the evenings, during the work week. But I will say, I really enjoyed every moment I was there. Something good about working together on a project with good friends. Something that's going to last. I'm glad we got together for this. Thanks for watching part 2 of this deck build. I hope you'll come back and watch part 3 as we start putting on the actual decking on top. Hope you'll also consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to seeing you again.